Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about mental intelligence and how it can impact our daily lives. First, let's define mental intelligence. It's the ability to think, reason, and learn. It's the ability to process and analyze information, and to use that information to make decisions and solve problems. Mental intelligence is often measured through IQ tests, but it's important to remember that IQ is just one aspect of mental intelligence. There are many other factors that contribute to our overall mental intelligence, including our ability to process and analyze information, our memory, and our problem-solving skills. So how can we improve our mental intelligence? Here are a few tips. Read and learn new things. The more we expose ourselves to new information, the more we can challenge our brains and improve our mental intelligence. Stay active and exercise regularly. Physical activity has been shown to improve brain function and memory. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help us focus and increase our ability to process and analyze information. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can impair our mental abilities, so it's important to get a good night's rest. Stay engaged and curious. Ask questions, seek out new experiences, and challenge yourself to learn new things. Remember, mental intelligence is not just about IQ. It's about our ability to think, reason, and learn. By incorporating these tips into our daily lives, we can improve our mental intelligence and enhance our overall mental capabilities.